In this video, I'll show you how to make a simple door in AutoCAD for your floor plans. Start by using the line command to draw the door panel with the width you need, such as 90 centimeters. Next, draw a perpendicular line from one corner to represent the closed position of the door. You can turn on ortho mode to keep your lines perfectly straight and accurate. Now type ARC in the command line and choose the Start, End, Radius option. Select the hinge point and the open position of the door, then enter a radius that matches the door width to create the door swing arc. This arc represents the path the door follows when it opens. If needed, trim or clean up any extra lines to make the drawing look neat. To reuse the same door in future projects, type Block, create a block from the door geometry, and give it a descriptive name. This allows you to insert, copy, rotate, and scale the door quickly in any drawing. That's how easy it is to create a door in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials, and thanks for watching.